Want to book cheap flights from the USA in 2025? These 5 secrets will save you hundreds. Watch till ends of this video. Secret flight hacks. Tip 1. Use Google Flights. Smartly. Use Google Flights to search flexible dates and click the calendar to find the cheapest days to fly. Google Flights. Hack. Tip 2. Use VPN for cheaper pricing. Use a VPN to search flights from different countries. Sometimes prices are 30% cheaper if you book from India or Mexico. Use VPN to save. Tip 3. Book on Tuesday or Wednesday. Flight prices are usually lowest on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. Avoid weekends. Best days to book. Tip 4. Use secret flight tools. Use tools like WayAway, Skyscanner, or Kiwi.com. They compare prices across hundreds of airlines and offer secret deals not found on Google. Secret tools for cheap flights. We've added our trusted affiliate links in the description below. They work worldwide. Try them now. Get your cheap flight link in description below. Bonus tip: flexible airports. Try flying from or to alternative airports near your city. Often, smaller airports have way cheaper flights. Use nearby airports. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and check the flight booking links below for secret deals. Subscribe plus book now.